Hello everyone, I'm Brent with VenomPads.com doing your first bridge saw blade you should ever purchase, bridge saw blades for dummies. Video number 1, I first explained the Venom Experience blade, why you would choose that for your first blade. Then I did the video number 2 on the Fat Boy Quartzite blade, why that would be your first blade to choose. Then I did video number 3 on the Fat Boy 1 and the Fat Boy 2 big segmented blade, on why that would be your first choice. And then in video 4, I did the purple Venom Rush blade on why would that be your first blade to purchase for your shop. Now, last but not least, I choose the SVB series number 5. Not because it's by far the best in performance, but it takes a process of using other blades to eventually get to that system. It's how I personally cut. So this video number 5 for bridge saw blades for dummies is exactly the way I actually prefer cutting. It's the more old school way, which always has your foundation to keep you on track. There's no hybrid segments involved in the SVB Euro style way of cutting. So my fifth choice is just go with the whole SVB series. I already explained a lot of the blades in the other series. So how I cut with the SVB blades are, when you're using marble, I use the SVEB marble. When I'm using porcelain, I use the SVEB porcelain blade. When I'm cutting DekTON, I actually use the SVEB porcelain blade for cutting DekTON porcelain, all the hybrid type of new porcelains. Then from there, if I'm cutting granite, I actually will use their 15 millimeter stone segment blade for cutting granite. And then when I'm cutting quartzite, I use the SVEB split segment quartzite blade, Taj Mahal quartzite blade. When I'm cutting engineered quartz, or what people call quartz engineered stone, I will either use their full segment quartz blade or their split segment quartz blade. I prefer the split segment quartz blade of SVEB over the full segment because I like the faster cutting speed and the lower amp style method. But the full segment is just as good. It's just the split seg cuts faster. So there you have it on the SVEB segment blades for the last tutorial, number 5, on bridge saw blades for dummies.